In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change download location in Chrome if your files keep going into the wrong folder or you simply want to stay more organized. Changing Chrome's download location is a quick setting that can make a big difference. This is especially useful if you regularly download documents, images, installers, or work files and want them saved somewhere easier to find. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're on the main browser window so you can access Chrome's menu and settings without any distractions. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the three vertical dots. Click on those dots to open the Chrome menu. This menu gives you access to many browser options, including history, bookmarks, extensions, and of course, settings. From the menu, select Settings. When the settings page opens, you'll see a navigation panel on the left-hand side. This is where Chrome groups its options into different categories to make them easier to manage. In the left sidebar, click Downloads. This section controls where downloaded files are saved and lets you adjust download-related preferences. If you've never changed this before, Chrome is probably still using its default Downloads folder. Now, under the Location section, find the Change button and click it. This is the option that allows you to choose a completely different folder for future downloads. As soon as you click it, a file browser window will appear so you can navigate through your computer's folders. Browse through your files and select the folder you want Chrome to use from now on. Choose a location that's convenient and easy for you to remember, such as a desktop folder, a documents folder, or a dedicated downloads folder for a specific project. After selecting the folder, click Select Folder or Choose, depending on what your system displays. Once you do that, Chrome will immediately update the download location. You usually won't need to restart the browser. From this point forward, new files you download in Chrome should go directly to that folder. A helpful tip is to pick a folder you check often, especially if you download a lot of files throughout the day. That can save time and reduce clutter. Also, keep in mind that this only changes where future downloads go, not files you've already downloaded. And that's all it takes to change the download location in Chrome. It's a simple setting, but it can really improve how you manage your files and keep your workflow organized.